Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen. Thank you guys for stopping by. I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from styling services to shopping hauls. So if you want to watch videos all about clothes, then please subscribe below. For returning viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back, for your comments, for your views. I appreciate all of it. Thank you guys so much. Today I have a Trendsend. I will explain it very quickly as I pop this box open. So if you're not familiar with Trendsend, it is a styling service by the store Evereve, which is a brick and mortar store. They provide you 2 fully styled outfits, which I absolutely love because I just think it's cool to see a stylist actually putting outfits together for you, because that's not exactly my forte. There's no styling fee, I guess just like $1 that they use to make sure your credit card is valid. You got 5 days to decide what you want to keep and send back the rest, and that's kind of the gist of it. So I've got my box open. Let's go through what I've got here. Okay, we've got the paperwork. This is going to have the prices in it. I don't look at that to the end. It'll also have stylist notes on each outfit. I will pull that out as I'm opening the outfits. So let's go ahead and get that out. Not looking at prices, not looking at prices. Okay, so let's go with bundle number 1. I see a pair of jeans, some sort of cream sweatery thing, and then another striped top. I'm not even holding that in the camera. Okay, you guys can see it. Alright. We have this. Ooh, I like this. It looks like it is a hooded cardigan. Cream colored hooded cardigan. It's got deep slits on the side, which I enjoy the deep slit detail. It's by Allison Joy. The sleeves look nice and slim. I'm not really huge on all the oversized sweaters that are out there, so I like a good fitting sweater. I really like that. So let's go on to the next. And then next we just have a straight t-shirt from Project Social Tee. And it's like a gray, a very light gray and a cream color. Okay. It's thin. It's actually pretty thin, but you know, that'll probably make it a good layering piece. And then we have a pair of jeans, and these are Diana skinny jeans by Cut from the Cloth, and they're just a dark skinny jean. No distressing, but they look really nice. They almost look like straight leg for some reason. I don't know. These legs just don't look super slim. Or maybe these are like supposed to be a relaxed fit. I don't know. We shall see. Let's read the stylist note for this outfit. So the way she starts out her note, she says, "Hi Jennifer, Happy New Year. I'm so excited to receive your latest Trendsend box just in time to kickstart 2019. In this box, I wanted to send you some casual and fun items that you can mix and match for endless outfit opportunities. Have fun trying on, and I look forward to seeing your feedback." Okay, so what I opened up was outfit 1. The t-shirt is the A-striped ringer by the Project Social Tee. Jeans, Diana Cut from the Cloth. And the cardigan is the Tatum Waffle hooded cardigan by Allison Joy. And here's what she says. "Here is a super easy and effortless outfit for casual days. I started with the Cut from the Cloth Dianas. These are a great and easy pair of denim that can easily be dressed up or down. Plus, they're super comfy and are on sale." I like stuff that's on sale. "I paired the jeans with the Project Social Tee A-stripe ringer and the Allison Joy Tatum Waffle hooded cardigan to wear with the denim. The tee is a great staple to have and can be worn throughout all seasons, and you really can't beat the price. The cardigan is a perfect layering piece to have to wear with all different tops." Okay, so far so good. I like outfit number 1. Now let's go to outfit number 2. Okay, here I see kind of a thinner pant. I don't know. Let's just dive into it. Alright, we have first, this is the Live Modal V-neck tank. It's just a white tank. It's got a soft, interesting feel to it. I like this. Very much like this. This is by Paint Jensen. I don't remember if I said that. Okay, just a simple tank, but I actually like it a lot. And then we have, I don't know why I'm talking outside of my mouth so much, but we have this V-neck shirt. It's a double V shirt with kind of this band on the back, which is always a fun detail. It's kind of a casual, worn look to it, this bluish color, and then again some deeper slits on the side and kind of a worn band here at the bottom. So this is a very cute casual top. It's nice and soft, so I really like that as well. And then these look like a tiny, tiny pair of pants. Wow, these just feel so tiny. What are these? Why are these? Look at these, people. I would buy these for my 6-year-old niece. Okay, maybe not. Maybe when she's 10. But still, what? Look how tiny these are. This is the whole pant. Okay. All right, let's see what she has to say about it. This is by Spanx. Okay, so honestly, it's supposed to do a lot of stretching here. It is the Essential Seamless Legging. And I don't need a lot of stretch on that. This shirt here is by Trendsend, and it is the Andy Mineral Wash Tunic. Alright, let's see what the style says. Here's another easy, casual, and comfortable outfit. The Spanx Essential Seamless Leggings are amazing. They are so comfortable and have the stretch that Spanx do. These have been a bestseller this year. I paired the Trendsend Live Modal V-neck tank and the Trendsend Andy Mineral Wash Tunic to wear with the leggings. The tunic is a fun option to throw on for any day. Layered with the tank makes an easy and fun outfit to wear with fashion sneakers. With heart, Lindsay M. Thank you, Lindsay M. I think these are great outfits. These are fun outfits, kind of one that's a little bit nicer and one that's very much like casual, and I really like them both. So far I don't see anything I don't like, and I can't wait to see how this stuff fits on. So let's get to it. Okay, so first outfit, we have the cardigan, the shirt, and the relaxed jeans. So first off, this cardigan, oh, I love it. It feels amazing. It fits really well. The arm length is perfect, width perfect. It's just a perfect fitting cardigan, and I truly am a sucker of a good fitting cardigan. I love the slits on it, the hood on it, it's a cute detail. Really like this cardigan. My only hesitation with this is just that I already have a brown cardigan. I think it has a hood too. I really don't wear it enough, and so I don't really need this. I just really love it. So if the price is right, I will keep this. If not, I will be sending it back, but I think it's really cute. It's warm, it fits great. Winner, definite winner. Okay, so the jeans, they feel amazing. They fit well. I think they are cute. They are the relaxed fit, so I have extra room here in the calf. My only thing is like I rolled a lot of my jeans unless they're petite because I'm quite short and normal length jeans are just way too long. And I don't know that I love the roll, the way the roll looks on the relaxed fit. So I'm a little bit hesitant, but I don't have any cut by the cloth jeans, so I'm kind of excited about the idea of maybe owning some if it's on sale. If it's not, these will definitely be going back. Then we have the t-shirt here. I'll say the t-shirt's just fine. I mean, it's a great layering piece, but there's nothing about it that's really all that stand out. I think she mentioned the stylist note that there's a great price on it, so I may end up keeping it as a layering piece if it's super cheap, but other than that, it's just kind of eh. Okay, let's go to the next outfit. Okay, outfit number 2, and this is just like a fun, cute, casual outfit, and I enjoy this. I want to put on a pair of sneakers and go grocery shopping. So that's what this outfit makes me feel like doing, grocery shopping. Or sitting on my couch eating chips. Ooh, that sounds nice. I want to sit on the couch and eat chips. Okay, so first of all, this top, I think this is just a fun, casual top. I like this a lot. Got the V-neck. You can see the V-neck on the back with the band on it, since I have another tank and you can't really see my back, but that's awesome. So, and then I love the slits on the side. So, really cute. The pants, the Spanx. Alright, so guys, I've never tried Spanx, and I feel wonderfully contained in these. Very wonderfully. I love how high-waisted they are, because I just feel in a Spanx cocoon right now. I can go eat some cheeseburgers and I'm gonna look the same afterwards, and that's nice. So these I really like, and they ended up being full length. Those teeny tiny pants ended up fitting. They ended up being full length. I'm just shocked by that. So Spanx, definite winner. Tunic top, really like this. Trash man's out there picking up the trash. Okay, and then just to show you guys the tank. The tank is just fine. You get a good layering piece. It's actually a little bit strangely big on me, I feel like. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. But it's nice. Again, if it's super cheap, then I might keep it, because I'm always looking for great layering pieces. But that is the tank, and that is outfit number 2. What do you guys think? Let's go over prices now. Alright, let's go over the most disappointing part of this process, the prices. Now, I'm going to give you my prices with my 20% off discount thanks to Dina Miller, who used my referral link. So Dina, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So let's dive right in. Okay, so we have the Tatum Waffle Hooded Cardigan by Allison Joy. This is $70.40. I really like this, but I just have something that's too similar, and so it just doesn't make sense to pay $70 for a cardigan that I have that's very similar that I rarely wear. I don't even know the last time I wore it was. So, alright, next up we have the Diana pants that are from Cut by the Cloth. These are $47.99. Originally, looks like they were $89, so that is just a great price on these. It's just, I don't know, I didn't really like them on me so much. They're a straight leg and they were long, so I had to roll them up, and I didn't like the way that cuff looked on it, and I just don't really need it, I guess, so I'm not going to keep that. Then we have the Live Modal V-neck tank in white. This is by Paint Jensen. This is $38.40. I really debated on this one. I really like it, but it is a tank, and I don't know that I want to pay 40 bucks for a tank, so I might keep an eye out for if it goes on sale at some point to scoop that up off of their website, but I don't think I'm going to pay 40 bucks for that right now. Then we had the Andy Mineral Wash Tunic. This is also by Paint Jensen. This is $23.99, originally 68 bucks. This is just a very casual but cute top, and I am definitely keeping this. 24 bucks is a great price, can't beat that. Then we have the A-Stripe Ringer by Project Social Tee, and this is $11.99. Again, the original price was 40 bucks, and it's been marked down several times, but the shirt's just kind of, I mean, it's comfortable, but I just don't really care for like the colors on it. It's just kind of to me, so not going to keep that. And then last up we have the Essential Seamless Legging by Spanx, and it is $54.40. I think that's a good price for Spanx, and I do like them, but again, I just don't know that I would wear them enough. So these I'm kind of on the fence about. I'd love to hear you guys' opinions on what to keep, what not to keep. I had a great box. If you are interested in trying it for yourself, then use my referral link below. Okay, also, I did find out that the way they are doing Trendsend is actually changing at the end of January, and I found this out. I filmed the first part of this video a couple days ago, and I have found that out since then. So what they are doing is they are going to start using a styling fee. Originally it was like a $20 or $1 credit card check fee, and they are going to have a $20 styling fee that does get applied to anything you purchase. But something that they haven't been doing and will be doing, which is exciting, is if you buy 4 or more items, you will get 10% off. So I believe those are the only changes coming, but we shall see. And we'll see, maybe we'll like that better because we get, you know, more of a discount for buying more. Although I don't think I've ever bought 4 items, but I've always spent at least 20 bucks on this box, so I don't actually really care that much about the styling fee. So yeah, just want to let you guys know that that change is coming. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Alright, thanks. Bye.